Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? In today's video, we're going to show you how to make money from your photos without any complicated licensing. So let's get to it. First things first, head over to ClickASnap.com and sign up for a free account. Now, before you start uploading like a shutter-happy pro, it's smart to organize your work. We recommend creating albums to categorize your photos. This is important because currently, there's no way to switch a photos album once it's uploaded. For now, let's create some standard albums like people, places, and animals. Feel free to pick your own unique album names. Now that our albums are created, we can get the uploading. At the top right corner of the screen is the Upload a Photo button. Click on it to open the Upload dialog box. You'll see options for the photo itself, such as the title and tags. You can go all out with descriptions or keep it simple. It's up to you. Start uploading your images to your heart's content. The more photos you share, the more you stand to earn. Here's the exciting part. You get paid every time someone views your images. Yes, you heard that right. No need for them to hit the like button. Just a view is enough to boost your earnings. But wait, there's more. ClickASnap allows you to set up your very own online store. This means you can sell your captivating clicks as digital downloads or even turn them into tangible treasures. The best part? ClickASnap takes care of all the nitty-gritty details, from printing to shipping. It's like having your personal photography store without the hassle. And there you have it, fellow photographers. A fantastic way to transform your passion into a lucrative venture. If you found these tips helpful and are excited to embark on your ClickASnap journey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.